Nowhere is it written. I have been roaming like this. I have asked so many people if they have seen God. Nobody has said that he has seen God. Now and then, I feel that Spencer was right. There is no God. But again, I feel what our sages said was true. God is there. He's everywhere. One thing is true. If I don't find God soon, if no trace of him is available, I will definitely go mad.
Don't think that way, Narendra. That God, whom you want to see, may himself show you the true Guru. The miracle will happen.
আদিভূত সনাতনী শূন্য রূপ শশী ভালি।
Naren, do you know how long I have been waiting to hear a song? Come on, sing a song. Sing a song.
Yes, Master.
মনোজল নিজ নিকেতনে সংসার বিদেশে বিদেশীর বেশে ভ্রম কেন অকারণে মনোজল নিজ নিকেতনে।
Naren, do you see any light before you sleep?
Yes, I do see light.
Do you see? Then come with me. I want to talk to you. Come this way. Come this way. Come here. Come this side. Come this side. Naren, how long have I been waiting for you? By hearing the worldly talk of people around here, my ears started aching. Please come. Please come. Sit here. Now I recognized you. You are that. You are certainly the incarnation of the divine power. Naren, today I want to tell you many things. By pouring out these things to you, I have longed to relieve myself of the pain in the heart. Except you, no one can understand these words, Naren.
I have to go.
Wait. If you want to go, go. But I have prepared little prasadam for you. If you go away, how my prayers will be completed? Please wait. Sit. I will bring some sweets for you.
Sir, look. Unnecessarily I have come this far. He's mad to be sure. No doubt about that. Why all this?
Take it. Eat it. Don't hesitate.
No, I don't eat now.
Eat
My
it.
friends are waiting out. I'll eat with them.
Oh, I'll give them later. I want to feed you with my hands. Eat. Eat, Naren. Then only I will be happy. Eat, eat, eat. Uh, will you soon come alone to see me, Naren? Tell me.
I will try to come.
Naren. Come. Let's go now. Let's go. I know. You will certainly come to me one day. No. Wait. I'll open the door. Come with me.
Master.
Oh. Is it my Narendra?
Master, have you seen God?
Yes. As I am seeing you. In the similar way, I have seen God. Do you know? People may grieve for their wives, grieve for their children. They may even grieve for their property. But is there anybody who weeps for Divine Mother? If they lament for Mother, she can give anything. You are also not knowing the truth. Go out!
What have you done to me? What have you done? I have my parents, you know. I have my people too. Why have you done this to me?
Naren, my dear Naren, now you may go. You will know everything later.
Eat. How long you sit like this? What are you thinking? Aren't you feeling well? Eat. What, Naren? Eat, my boy. Eat something. What happened to you? What happened? Where are you going? Why he is behaving like this? Born of Shiva's blessing. Lord Shiva only has to protect him.
Look at Narendra. Did you observe change in him?
Yes, I heard that he is running behind a mad sadhu.
I heard that mad priest who dwells in Dakshineshwar worships all deities.
They say he has seen God and he has seen also Jesus.
That's all nonsense. After Jesus, if anybody says that he has seen God, I don't believe that.
Naren is a good person. Good wrestler too. Later I don't know why he became like this.
That's all right. What is our main goal? Our main goal is Britain.
Ah. Our God is Jesus. Our religion is Christianity. This is the land of superstition. We have no advantage whatsoever.
Let us go to the class.
Yes,
Let's go.
Let's go.
Have you come to pull me down into the world of Maya?
No, my lord. I have come to help you in your spiritual practices.
Hey uncle, what are you doing? You are pacing up and down again and again. What is the matter?
I am in mental distress, Uday. It is a month since Naren told me that he would visit this place. There is no trace of him.
You are saying like this. He has completely forgotten you. But you are restlessly walking like this.
He may forget me,
Hmm.
but how can I forget him? I will go to his house now itself. I will go now itself.
Uncle!
Naren,
Master, please come. Please sit.
Naren, why are you not coming to Dakshineshwar? Did you give up all your spiritual practices?
Last time, when I came back from Dakshineshwar, this world appeared as a dream to me. One day, I was walking in Cornwallis Square. Suddenly, I thought of striking my head against a wall and see whether the world is real or a dream. After I came back to normal plane, I realized that it was the highest spiritual experience.
Are you excited about that experience? Arey Naren, if anybody practices celibacy for 12 years, they will experience supernatural powers. Then only one can understand spiritual truths. Without clouds it rained on you. That's why you don't know the value of it. If you can experience God, then only you will love divine inebriation. Yes, Mother will give you that power. Then you will understand your power correctly, my dear Naren. Come here, Naren. Come. Sit here. For how long have you been worshipping Mother? Tell me. Huh? Ah.
Bhuvana, it's time to think about Naren's marriage. He is frequently visiting Dakshineshwar Guru. If you leave him like that, he may reject marriage proposal. Let us act quickly. Brother is coming.